Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. It's happy birthday to me in the Philippines. It's my birthday today in the Philippines, Filipino time. So our tradition, Filipino tradition, we always have noodles for long life. Any kind of noodles. This is like Korean pancit canton, Korean lo mein. This is plain Korean lo mein with no meat or anything. So it's plain Korean lo mein. Is plain, is yummy and delicious and nutritious. Yum yum yum. Let's eat and enjoy. God bless everyone. Wish me happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Cha cha cha. And my wish for my birthday, more birthday to come and more candles to blow. Blow your candle. Make a wish come true and um, uh, always in good health, God, and more birthday to come. Thank you for watching. God bless. And so long. See you again soon for the next vlog. And we have the Korean rolls also right here. It's like a Korean croissant, very yummy. It's soft, very soft. And then I have Deer Park water and simply oranges and Eden cheese bar right there from the Philippines. And this is the Korean rolls. Korean rolls is like croissant style. And of course, this is the Pia Hopia cake. That is durian from Korea also. So like and subscribe, enjoy. This is my little dessert, Pia Hopia cake. Hope you like it. Durian, hope you like it. Thank you and God bless. So long and let's eat. Ciao, ciao, ciao. And this is more noodles for our Filipino tradition for long life. So it's just hot and joy and God bless for long life. So long noodles for long life for any occasion for our Filipino tradition. We always have long noodles for long life. Thank you for watching. God bless. So long. See you again soon for the next vlog. God bless and happy Wednesday to you all. Is my birthday in the Philippines. Actually, my birthday here in the US is February 26, 2026. Thank you for watching. God bless. So long and God bless. Enjoy and see you again soon for the next vlog. Enjoy and like and share and subscribe. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. It's me again, it's Pinay Vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please be able to ask you guys, please like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. My goal this year is more subscribers before end of this year, hoping I have like 10K if I can. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. God bless everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Mabuhay tayong lahat and take care and have a nice day.